Okay, so we're going to install the AWS command line interface on Windows. For this, we'll search on Google for AWS CLI install Windows. This will bring us to the official documentation link. We want to install the AWS CLI version 2 for Windows, which is the latest version. This version has some improved performance and a better installer, but the APIs are exactly the same as version 1. I'm going to scroll down to the AWS CLI install and update instructions section and click on Windows. Here you can simply install it using the MSI installer. I'll click this link to download the installer file. Now I'm going to run the installer, which should be very simple. The installer is starting. I'll click on Next. I'll accept the terms of the license agreement and click Next again. Then I'll click Install. We'll wait for the installer to finish. I'll click Yes to allow it to make changes. The installer is now complete. I'll click on Finish. Now I can go ahead and open the command line. I'll open the command prompt on Windows. To be sure that the installation was successful, I'll type AWS -- version and press Enter. If you get a result like this, a version number that starts with a 2 followed by Python and Windows, that means your AWS CLI is now properly installed on Windows and you're good to go. Finally, if you want to upgrade your AWS CLI, you just need to re-download the same MSI installer and run it again. It will automatically upgrade to the latest version for you. So as soon as you get this output, you're all set. See you in the next video.